Welcome to this guided meditation for stress and anxiety management. Find a comfortable seated position and take a few deep breaths. As you inhale, imagine drawing in a sense of calm and relaxation. As you exhale, imagine releasing any tension or stress. Now close your eyes and focus on your breath. Notice the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. With each breath, allow yourself to sink deeper into relaxation. Now bring your awareness to your body. Starting at the top of your head, scan down through your body, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. As you do this, imagine a warm, soothing light flowing through your body, relaxing each muscle and easing any tension. As you continue to focus on your breath and the sensation of relaxation in your body, allow your mind to let go of any racing thoughts or worries. Instead, bring your attention to a phrase that brings you peace and calm. It could be something as simple as, "I am at peace," or "I am safe." As you repeat this to yourself, allow it to become a source of comfort and relaxation. Allow yourself to stay with these senses of relaxation and calm for as long as you like. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, taking a moment to adjust to your surroundings. Take a few deep breaths and carry the sense of calm with you as you go about your day. Remember, you can always return to this place whenever you feel the need of a sense of calm and relaxation. I hope this meditation helps in managing your stress and anxiety. Take care.